You fell, you failed, you crashed, hard. And now you're here, asking yourself, can I get back up again? Let me tell you right now, not only can you get back up, you can rise stronger than ever. But it starts with a decision, and that decision starts now. Falling hurts. It shatters your confidence, breaks your rhythm, and punches you right in the soul. Maybe it was a business that failed, a relationship that collapsed, a dream that slipped through your fingers. And the worst part? It wasn't just the fall, it was the voices that came with it. You're not good enough, you're wasting your time, you'll never make it. These voices, they're not just in the world, they're in your own head. And if you don't fight back, they become your truth. But here's what they don't tell you. Falling is part of rising. No champion, no legend, no world changer ever made it without falling. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team. Oprah was told she wasn't fit for television. Thomas Edison failed over 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. They fell, but they didn't stay down. The difference? They used the fall. They learned. They adjusted. And then they rose, better, sharper, and unshakable. Right now, you're standing at a crossroads. Do you let the fall define you, or do you rise and rewrite the story? Because make no mistake, you can get up. You must get up. Not for them, for you. Here's how you rise stronger than ever. 1. Accept the fall. Don't deny it, own it, learn from it. 2. Silence the noise, disconnect from those who feed your doubt, reconnect with your purpose. 3. Rebuild your mindset. Every day, feed your brain with strength, not fear. Read, reflect, remind yourself of your why. 4. Take one small step. Not 10, just one. Progress is born from small victories. 5. Surround yourself with fire. Be around those who lift you. Listen to voices that challenge and empower you. 6. Forgive yourself. You are not your failure. You are your recovery. You fell? Good. Now you know what it feels like. Now you know how far you can go. So stand up, not the same, stronger, smarter, unstoppable. You fell, but you're not finished. This is where your comeback begins.